Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we are going to discuss about some interesting topic, that is how you can create VNet. VNet is nothing but we can say like VPCs, virtual private. We have VPC concept in AWS cloud. Okay, for the networking, for creating your whole virtual private cloud. So here we have a term in the Azure, we generally known as that VNet. Okay, here we have VNet. So what is the VNet and what we are going to discuss everything in detail. So who are the new in this YouTube video? Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates, and if you want on something video on the specific topic, please comment down, so I will be creating on the specific topic. So let's start this video. So basically what's happened, we have different types of services, like we have NAS, we have PaaS, we have SaaS, we have AS. What all those things services we have? PaaS is generally used for platform as a service. Okay, platform as a service. Then we have SaaS. Then AS for the infrastructure as a service. We have SaaS. We have AS. And NAS is nothing but network as a service. If we are talking about a network, so in the network we have whenever we launch our virtual machine. Okay, whenever we launch our virtual machine, so you see over there we generally select our networking, like in which network we have to provide, in which subnet we have to create our machine, and what all those IPs you want. Like we generally get multiple IPs like 198.168.1 point something 2 3. So this types of things, how this things works. Today we are going to learn about this particular topics only. So let me quickly show you a fresh diagram, and let me quickly show you understand. We have multiple systems, like this is our VM1. Okay, this is our VM2, and this is our VM3. So this is our switch through which it is connected. Okay, this is our switch, and this whole becomes one subnet. Subnet means lab 1. Same, we have lab 2, where each and other different computers are connected with each other. Here we have switch, and here we have computer 1, here we have computer 2, here we have computer 3, and these all are connected to each other with the help of switch, and this switch are connected with the router to communicate between them, and whole of this environment becomes a VPC. VPC means, or we can say VNet in the terms of Azure cloud, like virtual network, like our own private networks. VPC like virtual private cloud. So this environment, how we can create, what all those things we have, I'm going to discuss in the details in the upcoming videos. I'm just going telling you the overviews part. So what generally happens, we have this particular subnet, so we have this provided with the IP. This IP will start with here we are just providing with the 1.0. This will have 1.0, and if the system, if we talk about the system IP, so it will have 192.168.1.1. This another system will have 192.168.1.2. so all of this subnet will IP will start with here, like this will be the fixed, this will be fixed IP for this particular subnet. And if we talk about this particular subnet, so we have 192.168. We are starting with 2.1, something like this. So here we have this fixed subnet for this particular lab 2. If we want for another system, so we have 162.2.2. so we have launched for this particular part. So, and this whole VPC will start with 192.168.0.0, and through this IP we can create multiple subnets, like we have defined here one, like this we can create 168 we can create another subnet with the 3, and in that 3 we can define multiple systems over there. And behind the scene, this switch route and the switches is been work automatically by the AWS or AWS cloud or Azure cloud or any cloud platform. They automatically configure everything for us for this routing routing purposes. Okay, so like this you can create multiple labs and you can set up your own things. Let me quickly show you how we generally go with this particular parts. Okay, so now just a minute. Yeah, so whenever we create our virtual machine, let me quickly launch and create virtual machines, and let me show you where we generally we have to give this. So this is our virtual machines. Okay, and let me create one virtual machines with the something name. So we are just creating one new virtual machine and we will be attaching this VPC, and in the upcoming video I will show you how you can create your own VPC. So I'm just using this particular subscriptions and just default resource groups, then virtual machine name we can just write VNet machine. Okay, and availability zone, everything works fine. We are just putting as a standard over here. Everything remains recommendations. Two CPUs are needed for the configurations. Let me quickly switch to the normal one so we can just check. Let me quickly put any name. VNet is VM. Okay, and here we have trusted machines. Okay, I think we can use any of the machines over here. Let me quickly configure. So we are just using standard over here, and the Ubuntu machines and everything remains fine, and key pair name must be unique with the resource group. So let me just put this particular part, and when we go to the next part, here let me ignore this particular parts. Now let's come to the networking part. So here, like, we generally attach our virtual network. This is our already testing one which has been previously created, and this is our default VPC. We will be creating this default VPC and we will be launching our own instance in that particular part, and we can assign a public IP to it also. Then NIC cards, inbound rule, everything will be discussing into the upcoming future further videos. So this was an overview of the cloud, what all the subnets we have, how the routings, how the switches, how we assign particular IP to it, and we have a VNet which are generally used in this Azure cloud. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you.